Today's topic is breathe easy. Means here in this video I am going to discuss about breathable clothing. Breathable clothing, this is required for hot summer weather. Due to high temperatures, you know that heat related illnesses are there like heat exhaustion, heat stroke. So to prevent these illnesses which arises due to excessive heat, we should wear breathable clothing. Okay, what is breathable clothing? Breathable clothing means if your clothing is able to breathe, that means if airflow can take place easily through the clothing, then that clothing is known as breathable clothing. Okay, if air can pass through the holes of the clothing. And you know that in all types of clothing, holes are not equal, holes are not of equal sizes. If your clothing is made of cotton, is made from cotton, if it is made from linen, if it is made from bamboo, then sufficient holes are there, holes of sufficient sizes are there. Air can pass easily through those holes. So those clothing are considered as breathable clothing. Yes, breathable clothing is our requirement. Because if air can easily pass through your clothing, then in that case, your body temperature will not rise so high. When we suffer from heat-related illnesses, if your body temperature rises high. So to keep your body cool as well as dry, you need to use breathable clothing. If your clothing is breathable, then air can easily pass. So there is a chance of evaporative cooling. If sweat is coming out through your skin, then it will easily evaporate. Okay. So there will be no dampening of your skin. There will be no accumulation of moisture on your skin. If there is accumulation of moisture on your skin due to excessive sweating and it is not evaporating easily, then in that case there is a chance that your skin can attract or can absorb allergens from the atmospheric air. You know the presence of allergens in the atmospheric air. So that's why breathable clothing is required. And if you use only breathable clothing and if you do not consider other things, then that is not good. Your breathable clothing should be loose fit, not snug fit or skin fit. If you are using breathable clothing and it is snug fit or tight fit or skin fit, then in that case there is almost no gap in between your skin and the clothing. So in that case there will not be proper ventilation. Air won't be able to pass easily. The temperature of the trapped air will rise. Yes, air will be trapped. If there is no gap, means if there is minimum gap in between your skin and the clothing. Okay, so the temperature of the trapped air will rise and that's why your body temperature will rise. If your body temperature rises, then there will be more sweat. And if there is more sweat, then that means there is a chance of dehydration. There is a chance of loss of electrolytes. You know that sweat carries with it electrolytes. So if there is more sweat, then there will be more loss of electrolytes. So to prevent dehydration, you have to wear breathable clothing and it should be loose fit. Okay. And the people who used to wear jeans, means I am talking about pants and trousers. And if you know that jeans, this is made from heavy denim. Okay. There is almost, means holes are there. No doubt holes are there. But the size of the holes are very small. So air cannot pass through the holes of the jeans easily. Again, if you used to wear snug jeans or skin fit type jeans, then in that case, that is more harmful for your body. Yes, it is harmful only in hot summer weather. I am not talking about winter season or the locations where temperature never rises. Okay? I am talking about the locations where there is a chance of heat illnesses, heat related illnesses like heat exhaustion or heat stroke. In those places and in those times where temperature remains sufficiently high, in those cases you have to take care of your clothing. So if you are wearing jeans in hot summer weather, then you have to use loose type of jeans, loose fit. Okay, if your jeans belongs to loose fit category, then it's okay. But if it is a snug fit type, then this will create problem. And if due to the presence of sweat the jeans get damped, then it will exacerbate the situation. Okay, especially the thigh region, okay, and the region below the knee where calves are there, okay, those two regions are more susceptible to get infections. Skin irritation will be there. There is a chance of skin irritation. Again, one more thing you need to do. Normally, we used to tuck in our shirts. I am talking about males. Okay. Normally, we used to tuck in our shirts if we used to go to offices or school or colleges as a student. Okay. But if your shirts are tucked in, then in that case, airflow will be restricted. Though if you have used breathable clothing, still there is a chance of restriction of there is a chance of airflow will get restricted. So if you use untucked shirts, in that case airflow will be smoother. So that is good for your health. Okay, so this was shirt. Again, in our shirt, where we wear it in our torso region. But we should take more care about our groin region. Okay, because groin region is more susceptible to get infections. So you should use breathable clothing for your panties or briefs or boxers or underpants. Those clothing means innerwear must be of breathable type to get relief from infections or skin irritations. And bras, these are also skin fit type. You know this thing. So these things also, this clothing also should be of breathable type. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about breathable clothing which is useful for hot summer weather. To prevent yourself from dehydration, to prevent yourself from electrolyte imbalances, to prevent yourself from heat related illnesses such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke, to prevent yourself from discomfort, to prevent yourself from other skin type diseases or skin irritations. All these things happen due to heavy production of sweat, and if it is not getting evaporated to the atmosphere easily. You should take care of your skin. You should remain dry all the day long. Okay. When it will remain dry, if rate of sweating means time rate of sweating and time rate of evaporation of the sweating is same, then in that case you will get always dry skin. So considering all these things, breathable clothing is a must for everyone. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, breathe easy. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.